Abhyudaya came into being in 2004 as a project under Keshava Kripa Samvardhana Samiti, starting out as a free tuition center with 12 students. Abhyudaya's key activities include after school support to primary and high school children through Kalika Kendras, also known as Free Learning Centers or FLCs, special free coaching to SSLC and PUC students through Gnanagiri, and financial support to deserving students at all levels through Vidyanidhi. Other social reach out programs from Abhyudaya include Seva, Chetana, Nammashale, Rudhira, Parivartana, Arohana, and Unnati. Abhyudaya is currently reaching out to about 3,600 socially deprived children through more than 80 Kalika Kendras or free learning centers spread around Bengaluru. The activities at these free learning centers in the respective localities are overseen by 120 local teachers and about 25 mentors. Primary and high school children, majority of whom are from government schools, are engaged for 2 hours daily at these free learning centers after school hours with a view to keep them off the streets. During these hours, the teachers help the children with their homework, assignments, etc., and aid them to attain the expected academic level for their respective grades. Periodic assignments are done for the kids and their progress is discussed with their respective school teachers and parents. In addition to the academic activities, children are encouraged, coached to participate in quiz competitions, sports, and cultural activities. Counseling sessions are held on personal hygiene and community health for children as well as their parents. Periodic workshops are held to inculcate values, ethics, and social responsibilities. Educational, recreational tours and summer camps are also conducted. The teachers from these FLCs are regularly mentored in terms of course content, teaching methodologies, and interpersonal skills through monthly workshops. As part of Rudhira, voluntary blood donation camps and free mega health checkup camps are conducted at remote locations in Bengaluru. This activity in particular has benefited thousands of patients who were otherwise deprived of these facilities. Gnanagiri. This is an initiative to conduct free coaching classes for SSLC and PUC students from economically backward sections. Activities include personality development and career counseling sessions over the weekends. Each year, more than 300 students are benefiting from this program, some of whom have progressed to professional studies with extended support from Abhyudaya. A handful of these students have become resource persons for the ongoing Abhyudaya activities. Nutritious refreshments are provided at the end of each session to keep the children as sharp as they always are. Vidyanidhi. It is our endeavor to provide financial support to academically bright children from low-income families who would otherwise be forced to drop out of school due to economic constraints. Vidyanidhi is disbursed once a year to cover the costs of school fees, conveyance, uniforms, and stationery. Applications are invited from Kalika Kendras, selected schools, and colleges of Bengaluru. The selection process is methodical and applicants are verified by a team of volunteers before shortlisting them for final selection. Around 500 students are supported each year. Last year, over 75 lakh rupees was distributed as part of Vidyanidhi to deserving students. Arohana. This is our unique annual scientific and cultural competitions to provide platform for socially deprived kids to showcase their talent. Each kid will have an opportunity to win multiple prizes and accolades. Around 2,000 kids participate in Arohana each year. To motivate talents, speech, mimicry, shlokas, devotional songs, patriotic songs among others are some of the categories of competitions. Science projects are also featured as part of the highlights, which encourage them to learn the latest technologies. These students are later awarded by dignitaries from various fields. As part of the Clean India Mission or the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, the students conduct road shows to create awareness for the need of maintaining cleanliness in our society. While they influence others, they also imbibe those values into them too. To recover from natural calamities like the recent floods in South India, a flood relief fund collection campaign is organized by the students. The collections are mobilized through Seva Bharati. As part of Namma Shale or our school, Independence Day celebrations are organized at remote rural government schools by our volunteers. This is done to encourage the kids to celebrate with better equipment. The volunteers do not miss an opportunity to motivate the students during this time. Also, the kids are rewarded with some basic kits so as to enable them with their daily needs. The smiles on their faces when receiving these kits is priceless. Field trips or educational visits are organized by Abhyudaya. Strategic locations like Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Vishveshwaraya Technological Museum are chosen to spark the interests in them. It is just amazing to see their energy and enthusiasm to learn something new during these visits. While Abhyudaya stands behind these kids like a pillar, we are proud of the achievements of these students who fight against all odds to achieve greater heights in life. I would let the numbers do the talking and conclude with a famous quote from Swami Vivekananda, which says, "They alone live who live for others." Thank you for watching this video.